Do you notice anything weird? That's right, there's no cheese. I specifically ordered it without cheese, so I have an excuse to make some myself. To make fake mozzarella, you just need 6 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1.5 liters of milk. You need to use whole milk that is not ultra pasteurized, and although not vital, it's better if you use unhomogenized milk like the one I used. Once milk is heated to around 40 degrees Celsius or 105 degrees Fahrenheit, turn off the heat and slowly add vinegar while stirring. Real mozzarella uses a high rarity ingredient called Rennet to form a curd, but this alternate recipe uses vinegar instead. Leave it alone for 10 minutes and you should see a clear separation of curd from liquid whey. Collect your curd and squeeze out as much excess whey as possible. At this point, you've basically made cottage cheese. It's perfectly good to eat, but it's not the quest objective, right? Season your whey with 2 teaspoons of salt and heat it up until it's almost unbearable to touch. Next step requires a bit of heat resistance, so if you know you don't have enough, I suggest you go and grab something like gloves of fire resistance to help you. When your whey is nice and hot, turn off the heat and place your curd in it for 20 to 30 seconds. Once your curd turns malleable, keep stretching it until it turns cold again, then squeeze out the excess whey. At the start, it's not gonna stretch very well, but as you repeat the process, it will become more and more elastic like a real mozzarella. It is also possible to just microwave the curd for 15 seconds to warm it up, but I didn't want to make it more sacrilege than it really is. After you repeat the process 4 to 5 times, you should get a nice stretchy curd like this. Or cheese, I don't know. When can I start calling this cheese? Now all you gotta do is fold the bottom into itself until it forms a nice round bowl. And there you have it, a fresh bowl of fake mozzarella. For immediate consumption, leave it in cold water for 10 minutes, otherwise wrap it up in cling wrap and keep it in the fridge. Quest complete! It has a very mild, milky flavor, pretty close to mozzarella, maybe slightly tangier. And it also melts and browns nicely like a mozzarella when baked. But is it worth it? I don't know. Just buy it.